What is wrong with you? Alright, hold on. Yeah, keep opening.
Okay, get it open.
That'd be funny if it wasn't.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Hey, it's beast mode. Hurry up, keep opening it. Keep opening.
Hurry up, I'm cold.
Wait,
Take
open
it
it
on
from
the
this
door.
side. Open it from this side.
I can't, I need a pee.
Hey,
I got the new button.
man, he doesn't care.
Brand new
Then why would I be out here?
Phantom Orion.
Hurry up.
If I didn't care, I'd be in there asleep or either playing Halo 4.
Hurry up, quick.
I have Halo 4. Oh!
There it is, on the ground.
Bearing drive.
Look at
Open it over this. Open it over this.
Jackson, do you have Xbox Live?
Open it over this.
What level are you?
Or well.
26.
I'm 35.
Up yours.
That's nasty. I'm not gay.
I know. Dude, what are you doing? You're opening up the launcher.
He wants to launch it first, apparently. Oh, hurry up, quick. Jeez, you're taking forever.
The bearing drive.
Did you drop the bearing drive?
It's right
What's
there.
here?
Oh, okay.
Bearing drive looks like it's gonna
Oh,
rock.
look at the launchers.
I know, that's why I bought it. I want the launcher.
Oh my god.
I'm keeping the launcher.
Hold up.
Shut up.
Hurry up. Don't you see I'm freezing?
You see, I'm waiting.
This is why we need to bring sisters with us
Jackson,
everywhere.
you want a battle?
Now you got a baddie.
That's wow.
Because I know I'm going to lose. I I got crappy, baby.
Alright, this is the conclusion of quick opening of Phantom Orion. You'll see it in battle in a few minutes.